Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In the last video, or last problem on this worksheet, I showed you how to create this table. I gave you part of it and you added a couple columns. I made these yellow because this is another student's data from a couple years ago. You need to put your data in these yellow ones, and you should have done that in the previous problem. I'm going to show you how to create a graph of your data, which will then give you an equation that relates the mass of the counterweight to the distance thrown. So you want to do insert, scatter, and it starts a table for you. You need to select data, that's why there's nothing there. Add, I'll start with the ideal range. This is perfect world. So in the perfect world, your range would be that. Now you need to get this out of the way. One second. Sorry, I'm going to have to restart this. This dang thing got in the way. So, select data, add, X values are how far through. Make sure you have this equal sign there. Y values are the mass of the counterweight that you used. Hit OK. Now you want to add another data series, which is actual real world, how far did it go? So this is going to be this column, how far it really threw. Make sure you converted that to meters using Google. Y values are the same. They're this mass of the counterweight. Okay, and notice all of these points here are what you got in the real world testing your catapult, how far it threw versus the mass. This is perfect world. Notice it is less. You want to format this axis. It's coming up weird with way too many significant figures. Decimal places, change it to 1. And I would do the same thing here. See how that looks goofy. Do a right click, format axis if this disappeared. I'd go 0 on this one, just whole numbers. Then what you want to do is add your trend line. This is going to give you the equation that you need. Make sure it says linear, display equation on chart. And then what I'd like you to do is change Y to mass of the counterweight, because that's what this is, times range. You could put a time symbol in there if you want. So this relates the mass of your counterweight with how far it will go. That's the most important thing. Last thing here, we want to format our chart so somebody knows what this is. So go to Format and then go to, hold on one sec. Oops, sorry, messed up. Not Format, go to Design, Quick Layout. This one right here works best. So we want to change the chart title to what it is. It's range versus counterweight mass. Down on the bottom here is your range in meters. That's why I put that. And then this is going to be counterweight mass. In kilograms, kg. And you're done. Notice our ideal, perfect world, our actual, your data. Now, if you have a data point that is really far off, you might want to just delete it. Where you might have problems is I had you guys try to fire it with nothing in the counterweight. And what you can do is just delete that one. So what I'm saying is if you got a 0, it didn't throw at all, even for the first 2, you want to delete those out, and this automatically will update. Except for the equation disappeared. I don't know why it did that. if your equation disappears, once again, add trend line to here, display on chart. And then you'll have to change this to mass of the counterweight and X to range. Let me know if you have any questions.